Good evening, James Lane of Argo Yachting, brand sales manager for Pardo Yachts UK, Germany and Ireland. This is your official invite to Dusseldorf 2025, running from the 18th to the 26th of January at Dusseldorf Messe. The shipyard are showing two models at the Dusseldorf Boat Show 2025, and the two models are the GT52 that I'm standing on, and also we are showing the Pardo 43. Not these actual boats, but the same models. These boats are obviously both available now in stock, ready to go, and all the details are on argoyachting.com. Pricing, videos, walkthroughs, it's all on there. It's absolutely all on there. So we'd love you to go on that website, have a little look. And if you do want to come to the Dusseldorf Boat Show, all the invite information is there, and you come and see me and I'll look after you at Dusseldorf Boat Show. So follow me as I walk briefly to the Pardo 43 to give you another little snapshot of what she looks like. Rob, you following me? Let's go. So there's method to our madness because it's twilight. We put the lights on so you can see her, which you don't usually see her, especially in December. So anyway, GT52, that model will be at Dusseldorf Boat Show. And then of course we have our Pardo 43 that will be at the Dusseldorf Boat Show as well. Rob, do you want to follow me along board and we'll just have a little look with the lights on. Again, this model will be at Dusseldorf, not this actual boat. All the details for this boat are on the Argo Yachting website, pricing, walkthroughs, all the good stuff that you've seen all the time. But look, here they are, side by side, raring to go for Dusseldorf 2025. Please come along, come and give these boats a new home.